Every developer knows the sinking feeling when a new feature goes live, and suddenly the old ones start to crumble. You push that code, and instead of applause, you hear the deafening silence of broken functionality. It's frustrating, isn't it? You've spent hours crafting that shiny new feature, only to find out it's wreaking havoc on your existing codebase. This is where automated regression testing becomes not just a luxury, but a necessity. Let's face it, manual testing is a time-sucking black hole. You think you've covered all the bases, but there's always that one edge case that slips through the cracks. You're left scrambling to fix bugs that could have been caught earlier. Enter Selenium and behavior-driven development, or BDD, with tools like Cucumber. These are your lifelines in the chaotic sea of software development. Selenium allows you to automate your browser interactions. Imagine being able to run a suite of tests that simulates user behavior across your application. You can check if buttons work, forms submit correctly, and pages load as they should, all without lifting a finger. This isn't just about saving time, it's about building confidence in your code. When you can run a test suite that confirms your old features still work after new changes, it's like having a safety net. You push your code with assurance, knowing that you've got a solid backup. Now, let's talk about BDD. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. With BDD, you write tests in a language that everyone can understand. Developers, testers, and even stakeholders. This means you can define your application's behavior in plain English using tools like Cucumber. You create scenarios that describe how your application should behave, and then you automate those scenarios. This clarity helps everyone stay on the same page and reduces the chances of miscommunication. But here's the kicker. The real power comes when you integrate Selenium with BDD. You can automate those scenarios and run them against your application. If a new feature breaks an existing one, you'll know immediately. No more late-night panic fixes or scrambling to meet deadlines. You can catch issues early in the development cycle, which saves you time and headaches down the road. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't setting this up a hassle? Sure, there's an initial investment in time and effort to get everything running smoothly. But consider the alternative. Endless cycles of manual testing, constant bug fixes, and the stress of deploying code that you're not confident in. The upfront work pays off tenfold when you can trust your automated tests to catch regressions. In the end, it's about building confidence, not just in your code, but in your entire development process. Automated regression testing with Selenium and BDD is your ticket to a smoother, more reliable workflow. You'll spend less time fixing bugs and more time innovating. So, if you're tired of the chaos and want to regain control over your development process, it's time to embrace these tools. They're not just nice to have. They're essential for any serious developer looking to build confidence fast.